Good afternoon, I'm Warren Belkin. I'm the Director of Media and Entertainment at Arista Networks. We're here in lovely Las Vegas at the 2015 National Association of Broadcasters show, and I wanted to discuss a little bit about some new technology we're introducing at the show in conjunction with our partner Lavo. So last year at the show, we did a proof of concept with Fox Networks around something called source-timed switching, which is frame-accurate switching in an IP infrastructure in the broadcast plant. And this year, what we're showing with Lavo is a commercialized version of this technology that really demonstrates the power for next-generation IP broadcast plant. So in this demonstration, you can see in this test setup an Arista switch at the bottom, and a Lavo product called a V-Link 4, and a control panel from LSB, and a video monitor. What we have going on in this particular demonstration is two video streams being generated from a hyperdeck that are coming in and being created to an IP video stream using SMPTE 2022-6 encoding. And that is then coming in through Ethernet through our Arista switch, and back out Ethernet, back through another V-Link, converting back to SDI video to display up on the monitor on the wall. So you basically have two SDI video sources, HD SDI video sources, coming in, networking through an Ethernet network, and back out to an SDI monitor. The problem is switching video. To get a clean video switch, or what's known as a frame-accurate video switch, in the world of IP is a very different story than what used to be done in SDI routers. And the industry's wrestling with how do you do this video routing, video switching, in the world of IP in this next generation. And so what Lavo is subscribed to this concept of source-timed video switching. The way this works is when you get ready to switch video streams, a controller first prepares the Ethernet switch with a set of new flow rules to route the video the way you want to route it at the upcoming switch point. And then the Lavo devices that are bringing the video into the IP world, they receive a command that at a particular point in time, they are to change the packet headers on the video flows to match the new flow rules that have been programmed into the switch. And so when we ask for a video switch, the controller's first setting up the Ethernet switch to handle these new flow rules, and then commanding an edge device to create those new flow rules and map the correct video streams into these flow rules that were programmed in on the Ethernet switch. And so what we're going to show you here, these are the two input streams. This is the output stream, which right now is showing video source 1, and I have a control panel. I'm talking to destination 1. Currently it's showing source A1. When I press this button, it's going to change to this video source A2. So I'll go ahead and do that, and you'll see a seamless video switch. There's no glitching, there's no noise on the signal. It is a frame-accurate video switch between the sources, but all of this is happening in the IP infrastructure through a software-defined network controller tied to a broadcast controller. Now the broadcast controller is a LSB software, and you can see some of the monitoring over on this monitor. This is monitoring the V-Link 4, the Lavo edge device, and this is the crossbar switch. And as I press the button to change video streams, you'll see that crossbar switch actually move as I'm selecting the different video sources. And I could pick a different destination and change the video on a different destination, like destination 3, and you see all of that on the monitoring screen. So this is an example of a sort of real production quality video routing through an IP infrastructure through a combination of technology from Lavo, control system from LSB, and Ethernet switching from Arista. Thank you very much.